Thank you for choosing the Kegel maintenance videos. Today, we will be calibrating our cleaner bump on our IKON Lane machine. I've taken the liberty of removing the oil compartment lid to allow for easier adjustment during the test. If you need assistance with removal, please see our lid removal video. First, we'll go to Main Menu, and then Cleaner Oil Calibration, and finally, Cleaner Calibration. First, we'll go over the screen. At the very top, you have your analog value. The higher the number, the higher the output, and vice versa for the lower number. The Enable Cleaner Test button, which will be enabled before we run the test. And finally, the amount of times the test has been ran. We will now want to enable the cleaner test and move to the front of the machine. To open the cleaner compartment lid, we will release the latches, move the lid back, release our plungers past the lid catch, and slide all the way back. Next, we'll remove our cleaner head. Gently press down and turn counterclockwise. Slowly lift out. Place the tip in a waste receptacle, as we're going to run a quick test to push any residual air out of the feed line. To begin the test, press the red button on the 10-pin side wall. Once we've pushed out any air, you will now place the tip in a graduated cylinder and run the test again. We recommend running this test 3 to 4 times. Factory setting from Kegel is around 30 milliliters. If an adjustment is needed, refer back to the touchscreen of the Lane machine. If an adjustment is needed, simply select the analog value and punch in the value needed. Remembering, the higher the value, the more output. When adjusting, we recommend increments of 50 to 100 to adjust the value. Once the test is complete, be sure not to forget to reinsert the cleaner tip back to the cleaner head block. Line up the roll pin, press down gently, and turn clockwise to lock into position.